Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you.
Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be installing and styling this beautiful wig from Yasgrl hair. This wig is completely glueless with combs, adjustable straps, and also an elastic band. Before we begin styling, I'm going to be giving you guys a 360 view of this wig straight out of the package. As you can tell, the wig looks very similar to the stock photo, and also the curls are very moisturized and very voluptuous. I do love how thick this unit is. It is 180% density, and the curls and the luster on this hair is beautiful. Aside from the hair, I really wanted to show you guys how beautiful this parting is. It is HD lace and it really mimics scalp. Out of the package, the hair is so beautiful that you can just wear it straight out of the package and do very minimal work. But I like to make my curly units bigger. So in order to get the curls bigger and more voluptuous, I have to get the hair completely soaked with water. And then after every curl strand is soaked with water, we're going to go ahead and add our product in the hair. This is the As I Am Coconut Serum. And I'm just going to go ahead and rake that through my hair as well as the water. And I'm going to use my detangling brush to make sure that I am breaking all the product through all the curls, and I'm making sure that every curl strand is saturated with water. Once the products are completely set in my hair and all the curl strands are pretty much moisturized, I'm going to go ahead and start diffusing my hair. Diffusing the hair on the highest setting on hot, and then also making sure that I'm scrunching the hair up in upward motion. So I'm using my hands and also the diffuser to do upward scrunch motions, and this is going to help seal the curls and make them very big. I am going to continue to do both sides, the back and then also the front area, and then I'm going to interchange with using my hands as well. And if you guys are familiar with my method to curly hair and getting it really big, I do like to do my hair flipped over so that I can draw the hair up and it gets even bigger.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah.
As you guys can tell, the hair was completely transformed. The curls were beautiful before, but now the hair is much more bouncy and we have a lot of volume in the hair. And that's because we diffused the hair. We made sure to moisturize, and I think this wig just came out so beautiful. Being that this wig is completely glueless, all you need to do is put the wig on your head and throw her on and go. You would just adjust the hair if you need to, adjust the straps in the back, the adjustable band, and the comb if you want to make it more secure. But you do not have to add any glue, adhesive, or anything to this unit to make it lay down. It is very easy styling, so as you can see, if you have a diffuser and you want to make the curls bigger, you are free to do so. But you do not have to do anything to this hair. You can wear it straight out the package, but I really like to make sure that I add my little spin on my curly units. If you like this unit, please go ahead and visit Yasgrl Hair, and I'm going to be linking everything down in my description box for your review. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Overall, we'll give this unit a 10 out of 10. I'm very interested to see what you guys think because you guys tend to really love these curly units on me. Please go ahead and comment down below.